This section here says, Jivas never fall from the spiritual world. This is a book about shlokas published by Narayan Maharaj, Gaudiya Math. Sri Shlokamritam, one section here, it says, the jiva never falls from the spiritual world. And that's 15.6. Natad bhasayate suryo na shashanko na pavaka yad gatva na nivartante tad dhamma paramam mama. There's no sunlight or no need for mundane. There's sun and there's moon there and there's light there. There's no need for the vasha, the rays of the sun or moon. Shashanka, anka means mark, and shasha means rabbit. And pavaka means fire. Pavanala, when you say davanala pavana. Natad bhasayate suryo. So there's no rays of the mundane sun there. Vasha means rays. And the shashanko is a way of saying Chandra. Because you look in the full moon, there's some black spots. It looks like a rabbit, side view of a rabbit with two long ears. Going like that, you'll see. So in Sanskrit, the moon is called Shashanka. Anka means, Anki means mark. Mark of the Shashan. You say, Kargosh. But in Sanskrit, it's Shashanko. Very nice. Then 8:15, it's also there. Mamu petya punarjanma tukalayam. Alayam dukkha. This is alaya. This is like we say Bhojanlaya. Himalaya. We say Himalaya, Bhojanlaya. What they say in Vrindavan, the Goswami Sapta Devalaya. Devalaya means the place of the Deva. Devalaya means the house of God. The Sapta Gosai Devalaya. This is the official Hindi term for visiting the 7 temples of the Goswamis in Vrindavan. Sapta Goswami Devalaya. So this is called a Dukalaya. So Dukalaya, Alaya means the house of, or the place of Duk. It means misery. This material world is a place of misery. Birth and death and everything in between. And a Shashwatam. It's not Sat, it's Asat becomes Ashasht. It's temporary. So it says Mamupetyu Punarjanma. But Mamupetya, Mamupetya, you come to me, no more birth. You don't come back to this place, the Tukalayam, the Ashashvatam. Napnuvanti Mahatmana Samsiddham Paramam Gata. So the Apnuvanti, the Mahatmas, the great souls attain this perfection. Param Gati. When you attain this perfection, you attain the Param Gati. That's 8:15, and 8:16. It's just a little. This is about the sages and how they get out of this place. The good sages and good souls, intelligent souls. And then it's talking about the whole place is like this. The whole universe is like this. 8:16. Brahma bhuvana loka punar avartin orjana mamopetya tukonteya punar janma navidyate. From the highest planet in the material world down to the lowest, all are places of misery, wherein repeated birth and death take place. But one who attains to my abode, he never takes birth again. Punar janma navidyate. And then we have chapter 4, verse 9. Janma karma chame divyam evam yo veti tattvata tyaktva deham punar janma nayati mamati sorjana. One who knows the nature of my appearance and activities does not, upon leaving the body, take birth again in the material world, but attains my eternal abode, O Arjuna. Then 8:21. Because the whole eighth chapter of Gita is all about dying. Yam yam papi smran bhavam tyajanyanti kalivram. The beginning talks about how to die. What's the best way to die? The beginning of it's called sometimes the death chapter. In fact, in English they call it Attaining the Supreme. I think so. Chapter 8 and it. ISKCON, BBT, Attaining the Supreme. I don't know the name of the yoga, I forgot what yoga that is. But in the beginning it's saying that you should always think of Krishna, then you'll attain him when you die. Or whatever you're thinking of, that's what you'll attain. So this 821, this is another one. Avyakto shara ityuktas tamaho paramam gatim yam prapya nivartante taddama paramam mama. That which Vedantists describe as unmanifested and infallible, which is known as the supreme destination, that place from which, having attained it, one never returns, that is my supreme abode. So this is the 8th chapters, 8:15, 8:16, 8:21, chapter 4, verse 9, 15, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 verses in Gita, at least, say we never leave the spiritual world. So if we were there, we could never leave.